Okay, so here we have my 1951 BSA. I'm continuing to dry assemble, and today I've literally dropped the engine in after its rebuild. You'll see that it's exposed here because I'm fitting an electronic ignition system, so the old white pack is not going on. Stainless steel brake rod connected to the wheel that was freed up the other day. The wheels in the background are a 1959 BSA and a 1969 BSA as I wheel them out. It's very windy, so I'm in the lockup. So that's going in. Carburettor's on, but I'm going to have to borrow a mate's sonic cleaner. I've had a look inside of it, and it needs a 15-minute blast in the old sonic to clean it out. Exhaust is on, but like anything, I've not really seen a 51 BSA D1 before close up, but I've ground off the tolerance on the foot peg here. This is a new Bones Australian supplied longer centre stand, so it gives it more stability when it's on its stand. But I don't know whether you can see it, but down here there's a bit of grinding gone on to give the exhaust clearance. It's very tight, isn't it? And then of course this is not the original tailpipe, this is the later tailpipe. This is the torpedo, shorter length fishtail, brand new, Armourers, English made, triple chrome plated stainless, so that should last. No chain adjusters, as I said, it is a dry build. I'm going to fit the saddle today because that will just make getting the engine running and getting it sorted just that little bit easier. So I've cut a little bit of metric bar. All you purists, turn your heads away in disgust, no doubt. Yep, a little bit of stamping there. Don't know whether you can see that. Stamp BSA. Don't know whether they're original, but it's sorted. D-shaped speedo, correct one. Goes up to 55. I think that's a bit of a dream for this bike. I think its top speed's about 38 miles an hour, but that was certainly fast enough in the day. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video. Speak to you soon. Bye. So this is my second update since the first posting of the video of the D1 dry build. Important on the dry build, as you'll see, there's some temporary fits here. Hot rivet as I work out the brake, stainless steel brake arm, and the return spring. It's quite aggressive actually. I have to work out why it's not seating properly there, but it's certainly got a return on it. Temporary metric bar, as I showed you earlier, put nylocks on there, but they'll be stainless steel M8 capped when they're done. That's a Lyset copy from a Weissal small thing, and the engine's all mounted in with the correct Imperial nuts and bolts, so it's getting there, all sorted there. So tomorrow we should get an engine run out of this little D1 Bantam. Let's see how we get on, but it's been a good afternoon.